And we had a car, which was very unusual. We had people much better off financially than we were, didn't have cars. But my father was dependent on the car for his income because he would go to wherever he was needed as a locksmith. He was a very good locksmith. Later, he was absolutely no businessman. I mean, he would fix things better than they had been when they were new, so there was no chance to be called back. And he had some very, very interesting customers. He had the New England Conservatory of Music, and he had a very big Catholic church in West Roxbury. And he was a great buddy with, I forget what his name was, but he was a Monsignor, I think. And when my father would go to do work at the church, he would have my father stay for lunch. And I think the reason my father was so popular was he went around, this will interest you considering people's work habits today, he went around with a little dustpan and brush, so that if he, where he would have to fit locks and he might have to take out some wood or something, everything was all very neatly put together. And he did that in the church too. He said, but he fell over the Monsignor the first time that he went there because he didn't know they stopped every once in a while in the aisle to genuflect at the Stations of the Cross. So it was all, it was fun. He was a fun man. I think if he had had the advantage of an education here, he would have made tremendously powerful use. He had beautiful, beautiful handwriting, and I have terrible handwriting. And I was the only one of his children who went to college, and he used to marvel at it. He used to say, I don't understand. Your sister Lee never went to college. Your other sisters never went to college. Look at the way Lee writes and look at the way you write. And I said, well, I know, but what am I going to do about it?